Hello, I'm Danny Kennedy, the founder of Lift. Today we're sitting down with Mike from the VFW 12002. Mike reached out to me because he's interested in his first drone, and he's also wanting to start his FAA Part 107 certification. This is exactly what Lift is about: structured drone education, discipline, and helping veterans build skill with purpose. Mike, before we talk about specific drones, tell me what you want to do with them.
Well, part of it is a hobby. I have been working on my pilot's license for decades now. It's been a slow go. And so drone flying to me is an extension of my desire to finish up my private and then maybe even commercial pilot's license. The other thing that I'm interested in doing is being able to survey family farms that we have down in South Georgia, just to get a lay of the land. And that way I would be able to do that myself, right? So it's combining a hobby with some business endeavors as well. So we'll see how it goes.
That's great. Well, thanks for sharing all that. I mean, that helps a lot. Lift we focus mission first, equipment second. The drones should support your goals. It shouldn't define them. We train with structure. We train with discipline. We build skill step by step. Okay, so we're gonna move in and talk about the three drones I have here. At first, I'm gonna grab this fine specimen here. Is a DJI Mini 4 Pro. And then the next one I wanted to show you is pretty close to the Mini 4, but it's a DJI Mini 5 Pro. The next thing we're going to show you is this Air 3S. To me, I think this Air 3S is the best drone that DJI has ever made. Okay, Mike, how did that feel?
I'm ready to fly.
That's the beginning right here, folks. So what we did today, everyone, is it's not just about choosing a drone. It's about choosing a path, a structured learning, discipline, skill development. Drones don't create confidence. Competence creates confidence. So here's what happens next. You choose the platform that fits your mission. You complete the trust certification or just begin your journey to the Part 107 study. Then we schedule our first structured training session. We'll build this step by step. No shortcuts, no guesswork, no chaos. We're gonna go do some flying, and maybe we'll catch some videos, add some videos while we're flying the drones. If you're a veteran and you're interested in getting starting, reach out. We'll walk you through this right away. Lift is a new program. And it's structured, it's professional, it's mission focused. And again, I'm Danny Kennedy. See you in the sky.